everyone. This is the Workout 1 section of the Physics 110 GR archive for GR2D. In this one, we're looking at a one-dimensional collision. I went ahead and wrote in all of our givens from this word problem, so you can read that on your own. But pretty much we have a single dimensional collision. We have a final velocity of our second block, and we're trying to find our initial velocity, or our final velocity of our first block, A. And we're trying to figure out the direction it's sliding. Good thing about this one is if you'd established that right is positive, if you get a negative number for your velocity, you can assume that that's negative because you established right to be positive. So this is a basic conservation of momentum problem. It's a collision. It's going to be an inelastic collision because it doesn't say that they combine, and it also doesn't say that anything is conserved, like energy or anything like that. So that's why we know that this is going to be a totally inelastic collision. So we're going to start out with our conservation of momentum. Our good old M1 V1 initial plus M2 V2 initial equals M1 V1 final plus M2 V2 final. So for this one, we know that our block B initially starts at rest, which means that VI of B is 0. Which means that this term goes to 0 because our V2I is 0. Other than that, we can just plug and chug. So we have 8 kilograms. V1 initial is 13 meters per second equals 8 kilograms times some final velocity we don't know yet. That's what we're calculating. And then 14 kilograms times 9 meters per second. Okay, so now we have all these numbers and only one unknown, which means we can solve this for V1 final. I'm not going to go through all the algebra on paper. I'm just going to talk through what I'm plugging into my calculator. So I'm going to do 8 times 13, and I'm going to subtract the product of 14 and 9, and then I'm going to divide by 8. I come to the answer of negative 2.75 meters per second. So like I said, we established right to be positive. So if we get a negative 2.75 meters per second, that means it's sliding left. So we can leave it like this. Or since it's asking for a specific direction, what I would probably do is say that it's moving at 2.75 meters per second to the left, or write the word to the left. Because it's not moving negative 2.75 to the left. It would pretty much negate the fact that you said it was going to the left. If it's going to the left, make it a positive number, and just take care of the negative sign by stating the direction rather than dealing with accidentally negating your direction.